Hi everyone! It's me again, Teacher Lynette, and today is another time for arts and crafts. And we are going to make an artwork when Jesus turned water into wine. And did you know that that is the first miracle that Jesus did before? So I found this template in the Sunday School Fun blogspot, and we're going to try to do that today. Okay, so let's begin! So we now have this printed template that we've downloaded from the link, and we will go ahead and get our scissors to cut along the circle line. Time to take out your colored pencils. Now we are going to start putting colors, and in this video as we go along, I hope to share some basic techniques about using colored pencil. Basically, we need three major colors here, for the wine jar, the water, and the wine. So for my wine jar, I went with a neutral color of tan. For the water, we would naturally want to use blue, and the wine would be dark red. So in the middle is the word into, and I decided to use black so as to make a clear distinction between the color of the water and the wine. Yay! We are done with our wine jar! Now it's time to take the second paper and start filling it out. Now kids, here is one basic technique on how we can try holding our colored pencils. Notice that when I hold the pencil nearing the tail or the top part, I tend to make larger strokes of color, thereby filling a larger portion of the paper quickly. So let me try and show you the difference. This is how we normally hold the pencil, with our hand near the tip part. So you can see that the strokes are somewhat controlled only. Now let's try doing the second technique, in which our hand is at the top part of the pencil. Now we can do larger strokes, as there is a bigger room now for the hand movement. By doing this, you also sharpen the head of your colored pencil. So we're done now with our water and wine coloring. Now this is just optional, but let me try introducing also how to smoothen the color surface. I use tissue to rub on the color, and this will flatten the rugged edges, thereby making it smooth. Do you see the difference? Well, this technique is usually used in blending different colors altogether. Like if you like to create sunset or sunrise effect using colored pencils. I can show you in another video further details on how to do this. As of now, we can just try coloring our artwork, and we'll make good colors after. Now it's time to cut the center space of our wine jar to expose the magic of, well, literally just turning the water into the wine part artwork. Next, I'd like to get a cutting mat as we will be making a slit using a cutter. Now kids, reminder to be very careful or to let the adults do the cutting as the blade is very sharp. Okay, so I got the center of the wheel. Cutting a small cross in which I will be inserting the metal brad pin later. Once you get it, do the same on the front piece of our artwork, tracing it with the hole that we did a while ago. Insert our artwork in its sequence, and at the back portion, split open the hands of our fastener or our metal brad pin to fasten both papers together. And there you have it, our artwork when Jesus turned the water into wine. Don't worry if you see excess whites at some portion. You can just cut out the excess part of it from the second paper so it won't be exposed anymore. There you have it, kids! We now have our artwork, and you can play with it when Jesus turned water into wine. Okay, so I had fun showing you the colored pencil technique, and I hope you also enjoyed doing that. And if you want more details, you can watch the other video that I did. So please again share to the group your artwork as we would really like to see it. Hope you had fun today, and I'll see you next week again. Bye!